They were doing a yellow lentil and chicken foot and beef soup, or as we call it in there, and a split pea soup. We season this with our Guyanese patented green seasoning. Let all the excess fluid just boil out with this, and then we put the yellow lentils and pressure everything. Cover this and let it pressure until everything is soup, so everything will be soft. This now we're going to put about half of the pressure bottle worth of hot water, probably about 3 cups of water. So just to break away from tradition, my family don't really like everything to be inside. For example, the provision that I put in this water is not going to be inside the soup of itself. So what they like to do, let's eat it separately. So I'm going to boil this provision separately with some salt, and I'll show you the rest of the video. Alright, so we got some sweet potato, some edo and plantain, hard turn and plantain, not green, hard turn it. Alright, and boil this until this is tender. Half cover it, so it won't boil over, and then we're gonna half cover this, so it won't boil over. Let this cook. Everybody's coming along just great. Have the provisions here almost finished. And pressure pot. Pressure it. Yes, baby. Ooh. Gonna strain this off. Strain off the provision and wait on the beef and chicken. Alright, so peas and meat is finished pressuring. So what it'll do is run this on. So run some cold water on this, so you can safely depressurize the pressure pot. Don't try to lift the whistle up. That's dangerous. Right? You can get burned with the steam. Gonna saute this. Bring all the flavors out of the herbs. Then we're gonna add the meat we have pressuring into this. Let me show you the difference now. Normally people like maybe stick a spoon or fork or something to try to depressurize this. But a little difficult with one hand, but see, this is just with one hand. Right, so you add some chicken bouillon, black pepper if you want, add some dumpling to it. I'm gonna add some dumpling to it, and then we'll add the provision to it if you want. I mean, everything is normally boiled up together, but family don't like it like that. They like it separate. Oh, another thing, corn. You've gotta add corn to that. Can't be complete without your Maggi. Soup it up, spicy mix. Oh, where does the light go? Cover this and let this simmer. Let all the flavors combine inside. Chicken bouillon. Put that in there. Simmer. Start this in. Stir in the black pepper, then cover the simmer. Dumplings. This is just flour. Sugar, water, salt, if you could smell this one, whoa. Soup smells good. When it starts floating, almost finished. The corn in. The sweet corn, by the way. Simmering it just a bit longer. Alright, this is it. We finish here. Everything is looking good. So now, take this off, serve it up. This is me. So good. It's so good.